What if traveling between the cities could be as fast as flight, as convenient as train, and far more sustainable? We are Team Avishkar Hyperloop, IIT Madras student-led Hyperloop team building the future of transportation. Over the years, we have transformed ambitious ideas into reality, evolving from our early prototype to our latest pod 9.0. With each iteration pushing the limits of speed, efficiency, and engineering. Our journey has earned recognition on both national and global stages. We emerged as a winner of Global Hyperloop Competition 2026, signed an MOU with Indian Railways, which led to the development of Asia's largest student-run Hyperloop test track spanning 422 meters, secured multiple patents for our innovation, and also had an honor to showcase our work to Honorable Prime Minister of India.
Now we're preparing to represent IIT Madras and India at European Hyperloop Week 2026, the world's largest Hyperloop competition. Months of design, manufacturing, and testing have brought us this far. Every contribution helps us build breakthrough technologies, showcase Indian engineering on the global stage, and inspire the next generation of innovators.
Join us in shaping the future of transportation.